Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Beat by name B, and we are here getting ready to dye this wig for a client. She wanted like a cherry red color, so that's what we're doing today. And the first thing I'm doing is toning the wig with purple shampoo. Get all that yellow color out that we don't want, so I can get the truest of the color from the dye. Okay, it's taking me a minute. Alright, so you guys, I have two different colors. I have a crimson by Adore and crimson by Kiss Temptation, and I also have, what was that? I think it was a intense red. I'll have all the colors that I use listed below in the description box. So I'm just taking a full bottle of the crimson, and I took a full bottle of the intense red, and I did use hot water as well. And I'm just dipping that wig in. And what I like to do in order that I didn't show in the video, but to make sure I do not get any dye on the lace, or should I say what I do to not get the lace stained by the color from the dye, I like to take Vaseline and spread it all over the lace, and that helps a lot. And this wig colored so fast, as you can see. And I'm just taking my dimming brush and brushing it through, making sure every strand is getting color. And my camera did not pick up the true color of this wig at all. And I was just trying to show you guys what the color looks like, and showing you that I did not get any dye on the lace. So here I added more crimson, and I took some pink passion, no, raspberry prism, sorry, and I squirted a generous amount in there to get like a pink tint to it. So in the light it's a red, but it has like a pink tint to it, and you can't even tell in the pictures, but it was still very pretty. And here I am showing you guys again, even though you can't even tell the difference. So here I am styling it, and please excuse me because if I'm dyeing a wig, it's right after I come home from working an overnight shift, so I'm just straight out the shower, looking raggedy, busted, throwing on whatever, so excuse me. So I took a wax stick, and I'm taking my hot comb to press the frontal out and to get it as flat as I can. And this wig, as you can see, was pre-worn before, so yeah. And I got my hot comb off of Amazon, and I don't know what the name of that wax stick is called. It's by the brand that sells the edge control, that the 24-hour edge tamer or something like that. It's from them. And I'm taking some organic argan oil, and I'm running it through the hair, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I wand curl the hair. Just a simple wand curl. Please don't ask me what size wand curl that is. I don't know. But the wand curl is from Babyliss, and it's the interchangeable wand set that gives you about 3-4 different barrels, different size barrels. So yeah. And when I curl it, once I curl it and take the hair off of the wand, I like to hold it for a few seconds to let it cool down so it can hold its shape a little bit better, and then I let it go. And I usually add hairspray, but for this wig I just wanted to get some pictures, so I didn't add any hairspray. I straightened it right after. Okay. All right, so here we are. The wig is completely curled, and I'm just taking my fingers and breaking up the curls. And I did do my mannequin's makeup. Shout out to TaylorMade Jane. I followed one of her tutorials. It was my first time doing it, and I think I did a pretty good job. I did have like a struggle on trying to do like the lip part, so I just left the lips alone on the mannequin. But as you can see, these curls are coming out very beautifully. It was just so pretty. It just reminds me of the Little Mermaid, the hair color. Very pretty. And I wish I would have got some videos of my client actually wearing a wig. But I'm sorry, but she looked great. She wore this wig for her birthday photo shoot, and the pictures came out bomb. She did like a poison ivy themed photo shoot. She looked so pretty. And that is it. And I will show. Oh no, that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I will have another wig dyeing tutorial coming up next. Bye.